Welcome to the Educo Learning Center How to Get Started video series. This video will provide you with step-by-step instructions for accessing comprehensive reports and analytics that enable you to monitor your child's progress. Launch your web browser and go to www.educolearningcenter.com. To begin, sign in to ELC using your user ID and password. Parents can access their child's reports by clicking on the Reports icon on the parent dashboard. Open the Diagnostic Test Analysis, the Performance Analysis by Skills, the Performance Analysis by Standards, Assessment Scores, or Time Spent on Activities report by clicking on View. Get insights into your child's grade level proficiency in key math topics. Performance Analysis by Skills report is an essential tool for understanding a student's mastery level of a specific skill. Additionally, the report displays information on how much time was spent learning and taking assessments for each skill. Performance Analysis by Standard report is an essential tool to understand how a student is progressing in meeting the Common Core standards. Additionally, the report displays information on how much time was spent learning and taking assessments for each standard. The Assessment Score report provides you with a summary of how your child has performed on each assessment in the course. This report includes information such as what type of assessment was taken, what score was achieved, as well as the date the assessment was taken. The assessment types can be filtered easily by clicking on the tabs at the top of the report. The Time Spent on Activities report shows the amount of time students spends on tutorials, videos, and assessments. ELC reports are essential tools for parents and students alike. These reports provide a crystal clear view of student performance, helping parents stay informed and students motivated. By gaining valuable insights, parents are better equipped to support their child's educational journey. With ELC reports, you'll never miss a beat on your child's progress. Visit www.educolearningcenter.com to get started.